Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy dipping sauce which is used in Southeast Asian cuisine a lot. Whoever knows me knows I love that kind of food. And I love having everything ready in the fridge if I feel like having a quick snack, a quick salad, because they have so many things that are so quick to prepare. So this is a classic you should always have available. An empty jar. I'm going to use some chili, so I'm just going to chop just a little bit. This is not essential, but if you want to, you can add as much or as little. To this, I'm going to add some garlic, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and again remember, food is about what you like. Put as much or as little. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. I've got 3 tablespoons simple syrup. 7 tablespoons lime juice. Yes, they use a lot of lime juice. And then I've got 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Now, if you want to make this a vegan recipe, omit the fish sauce and just put soy sauce instead, and then you'll have the vegan version of it. Close the jar, give it a shake,